Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a recent backup, and at least 5–10% free space to avoid errors. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage to view the largest categories and recommendations. Once you see the biggest consumers, delete unused apps and large message attachments first. This gives immediate relief. Make sure to offload rather than delete when you want app data retained. If backups are pending, pause heavy downloads and complete a backup before proceeding with deeper cleaning steps. Next, focus on media and caches because they often hold gigabytes you can reclaim. In Photos, turn on Optimize iPhone Storage or export originals to a computer, then remove local copies. Clear Safari history and website data, and delete offline episodes in podcasts and large downloads in music and TV. Offload seldom used apps from settings to preserve data but free app size. Finally, comb through messages for long threads with attachments and delete selectively. This targets invisible. To finish, restart your iPhone to force the system to recalculate storage, then recheck settings iPhone storage to confirm reclaimed space. If numbers still look off, install any pending iOS updates. They can fix reporting bugs. As a last resort, erase and restore from your backup. That often clears phantom storage. If problems persist, force restart, try reset all settings, not erase all content, or contact Apple support for diagnostics. One key tip: always keep a verified backup before major resets to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.